Rishad, the general manager of Mira Logistics, invited us to the warehouse to show us the inner workings, and more importantly, to introduce us to the truck driver who set out to reach Moscow, but as we already know, couldn't complete the journey.
This is our furniture warehouse where we brought the items from all over the place. So these items where you can see on my left and right, this we bought from Italy. This for our project John Ferro and Rishad. We segregated, Mira furniture team segregated each items to each shelf. So I have seen that they well managed about the shelving and the racking system. Okay, I just remembered that I need to check with my driver. Very easy. He's supposed to be here today. Hello Ali, where are you? You reached already? The parking? Okay, I'll meet you there shortly. Okay. How's the trip?
Alhamdulillah, sir.
All good?
Yeah, all good.
Yeah, but we couldn't complete.
Yeah, but inshallah.
Next time, inshallah.
Next time, it's we cannot say unsuccess, we can say incomplete.
How was the truck?
Shackman is good. In driving, very good.
This is our new truck. This is the only first truck which is registered in UAE. Shackman.
I faced some difficulties there because rules of regulations and language problems and some documents problems. I have no idea what to do, have to do there. Then my team coordinate with me. They say you have to do this, you have to do like this. Talk to with some peoples. Yeah, I asked you.
They open the seal?
Yeah, open.
Who opened the seal? Customs?
Customs. They all have removed the seal. They want to need the check and what is the inside. So there is a weight problem. It's all up to my teams. They always connected with me. They're helping, they coordinate me. You have to do when I get to some problems there. So they coordinate with me, they instruction me, you have to do this, you have to do this. I come back without any problem, without any loss and damage.
To understand exactly what happened, we followed Rishad back to the Dubai Hills office, where he broke down the story for us in more detail. Sometimes even the best laid logistics face unexpected obstacles.
We started the trip with a few items. No, we didn't take the entire cargo. We reached the Astara border of Azerbaijan. We started clearing the items, and then something happened, which was not so happy. There is some additional documents required for them, so we couldn't give that documentations, and they also asked for us to change some declaration documents which we have declared in Dubai. So whatever in declared in UAE, if you need to change it, you need to bring back the truck. So what is next is we are trying to go for the next trip. We prepared with all the documentations, and it's going to happen soon.
But Mira doesn't slow down. While one part of the team deals with setbacks, another takes off to Cannes. Here, Mira is once again stepping onto the global stage, showcasing its projects and vision.
So I'm Max Ferrari, I'm the chairman of corporate brand, and we are in this beautiful place that you can see in Cannes. We are at MIPIM, which is the most important fair for real estate, I would say international. So actually, it's the 5th year that we are present at MIPIM. It's very exciting because tomorrow we'll announce another great project with Elisab and Mira Development into hospitality, not just residential, which means not only to create beautiful design, having a fantastic execution of the project that we can have with great developer such Mira, but also the service level and all the amenities will have a much higher importance than in all other projects that we have done so far. This is a very new concept, especially for Swiss. It's going to be completely new. So this is going to be the first branded project in Swiss. So there are going to be 19 apartments that will be sold to clients and 21 hotel rooms. But the clients, after having bought their apartment, a specific apartment, they can put back with the hotel rooms, and they will have also a ROI, a return on their investment immediately. Exclusivity and beauty are two keywords that can very well describe this. So this is going to be most luxurious project with brand I would say, in all Europe and Southern Europe. For us, a winning project very rarely is the result of the effort of one person. So we believe a lot in partnership, and we select very, very carefully our partner. Mira is our, let's say, best partner in this moment, in which we have already announced one project. So we are putting the beauty of real estate into business. So that's our goal. Okay?
Back in Dubai, while others dive deep into Mira's developments in Cannes, construction of Mira Villas designed by Bentley Homes never pauses. Timur, head of Mira Construction, is fully immersed.
Hi everyone, we've changed the location of our site office. It used to stand where we now plan to build a larger pool. To make room for the extension, we moved the office. Now all of our engineers, managers and foremen are based here. Right now we're in the stage of working with reinforced concrete. This includes both the electrical and plumbing systems. All the conduits and wall niches are being prepared in advance. This is Villa 8A. Big progress here. I think by tomorrow we'll finish the frame structure. We're working on the columns in here. They're being made right on site, assembled there and then installed with a crane. We fabricate all the main components for these columns ourselves. We have one machine over there and the other over there. Around 15 workers are focused just on this part of the project. Villa B8, yes, over there, already marked. We are pouring the concrete for the columns. We're also laying sewage and electric lines, and then covering everything up. Last year there was flooding in this area. That won't happen here, and I'll explain why. This building is designed to be around 40 centimeters higher than a zero level of Maidan, the central street nearby. So if there is heavy rain or water overflow, it all drains towards the main street. The project was planned with that in mind, knowing what kind of flooding happened before. So, I'm confident it won't be an issue here.
And not far from the construction sites, another kind of project is rising. We head to Mira Bakery, a facility that aims to deliver top-tier baked goods to the residents of Mira's buildings.
Well, I guess it all started with recruitment of employees. Now we've installed the turnstile at the entrance and placed all the equipment throughout the workshops. We're actively working on final connections. We're nearly at the commissioning phase. Right now we're in the testing phase. Today we're meeting with the engineering team to check if all systems and utilities are working properly. The refrigeration units have been running for several weeks now in test mode. We're identifying any bugs. Every time we open them, we check absolutely everything to make sure it all meets the standards. Over here we got the large-scale equipment, the dough fermenter, kneaders, mixers, all of them are already connected. Right now the team is launching one of the blast chillers. They are in a final stage of setup. But I'm not really happy with this part. It feels like a very sloppy solution.
Mr. Ranjit. Mr. Ranjit. I think this is not correct. Maybe need a special plastic connector. This needs manjet, plastic connect. This normal. This normal. Normal. I want these also.
I explained it as best as I could, but this just isn't proper work. I mean, you don't just grab a grinder, hack away at it and seal it up with silicone. One really smart decision we made for doing a good work without quality loss. We integrated everything directly into the large refrigeration chamber. We'll simply bring in ready-made croissants. They go straight into this shock freezer. Temperature here is around -38 degrees. Then they're moved right into the tunnel, so the product freezes instantly. A cart is rolled in here, and at -10 degrees, the team, wearing hats and coats, will pack everything into storage boxes. The lab is slowly coming together. Some equipment is already in place, just waiting to be hooked up and launched. Soon we'll hang the shelves and fill it with tools and supplies. So yeah, this place will come to life very soon.
In this episode, we've seen the pulse of Mira Group across 4 different locations. And yet, this is just a glimpse. Every day holds dozens of stories, thousands of steps forward. The Mira journey never stops.